Yeah, we are welcome back to another question. Welcome back to another question. This is a question three, and we are still on linear differential equation. And then we want to see this question. We have the first differential, y tan x equal to this, and then we have the condition given also, and we are told to show that the solution of the above differential is what is this. Okay, so we have the answer, so we have to show that the solution is this. Okay, if you look at this one, this solution to the question, solution, this question conform to the y dx plus p of x y equal to q of x. So that conform to that. So this is linear. And then where my p of x, the p of x is what? Is the coefficient of your y. And that's what? Tan x. And my q of x is what? My q of x is what? Uh, exponential to power 2x times what? Cos, cos x. Okay? So step two. The next thing to do now is to get the integral factor. Get the integral factor which has the formula of exponential to power of integral p of x dx, which is equal to what? Exponential to power of my p of x is what? Is tan. Is tan, and that's what? Sine over cos dx. Okay, this is what? Sine. Tangent is sine over cos. Okay, why do we have to split it like that? Because we don't have direct table for the integral of what? Tangent. So we need to split it this way and find the solution to that. And then if you want to integrate sine over cos, the question you should ask, what is the derivative of this? The derivative of cos x is equal to what? Minus sine x. Is it the same in the numerator? In this place now, it's almost the same. Okay, so we're going to force it, we're going to make it to be the same. So the integral factor will be equal to e to power minus sine x over cos x dx. So we are introducing minus here, so we need to cancel that outside. Okay, then you can see that the derivative, you can see that the numerator is equal to what? Derivative, the differential coefficient of the denominator. And in that case now, if that happens, it's going to give you minus is here, minus, that will give you us ln of what? Logarithm of the denominator. Okay, whenever the numerator is equal to derivative of the denominator, then that will be equal to, that will correspond to what? Logarithm of the what? Of the denominator. So without wasting time, so this will be equal to integral factor, that will be equal to exponential ln cos x minus 1, and that's what? 1 over cos x. That's 1 over cos x. Okay, and that's equal to what? Sec what? Sec x. Okay, and then you have to note that exponential to power of ln of a function will be equal to what? F of x. It will be equal to what you have here. Okay, then let's get the general solution. We've gotten the integral factor. So the general solution will be equal to, the solution is what? Solution to the differential equation will be equal to, it has a formula which is y. Our differential is linear in y. It's linear in y. So y equal to 1 over integral factor, that's a formula, times integral factor q of x dx plus c. Okay, let's make substitutions. 1 over integral factor is what? That's sec x. Okay, into brackets integral factor, that's sec x times q of x is what? That's e2x cos x, okay, dx plus c. So that's what we have, okay. Then that will be equal to 1 over sec x, open your bracket, integral sec x, sec is 1 over cos x times e2 exponential to power 2x times cos x dx plus c. So this one and this one will cancel out. So we just have exponential to power 2x inside the integral. Y is equal to this one, 1 over sec. That's 1 over sec is 1 over cos. Put your brackets. That will be integral e exponential to power 2x dx plus c. Close the bracket. Okay. Then the inverse of 1 over cos x, that will be equal to what? Cos x. And that will be, open your bracket here. Integral of exponential here, that will be over 2. When you have exponential function and you are integrating, it will give you that exponential function, and then you divide by the derivative of the denominator. Then plus what? Plus c. So that's the final answer. You just need to do the expansion on the brackets, but we need to get the c. We are given that when x is 0, y is 2. When x is 0, y is 2. So that's the meaning of that's the meaning of this statement. This is x, this is y. Substitute that. So we have 2 equal to, cos 0 is 1, and that will be what? Is 0, and that's 1 over 2 plus c. Okay, open the brackets. So this will be 2 minus 1 over 2 equal to c. So 2 times 2, that's 4 minus 1. So c is equal to what? 3. 3 over 2. So we've gotten c as 3 over 2. So we can now come back here and make the substitution. So y is equal to what? Cos x into bracket e2x over 2 plus 3 over 2. Okay? So let's do the algebra, and this will be equal to what? Cos x into bracket. This will be equal to what? All over 2 e2x plus what? Plus 3. So these are 2 here. You can take it outside. Okay? And that will give us what we are looking for. Okay? You can take it outside. If you take it outside, that means you are now having y equal to half. Okay? Half brackets. The bracket you have here. Okay? You're only taking these 2 outside their place. Half into brackets e2x plus 3. Okay, and then the cos x. So that's shown. That's shown. Okay, that is shown. So I want to say at this point, if you are new on this channel, if you are yet to subscribe, please do that now. Okay, and hit that notification bell so that as we upload, you get notified. Okay, and click on the like button across all our videos and make constructive comments. Okay, let's support this channel, bring traffic to this channel. Thank you for this.